guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Quick shout out and thank you to the channel members. I appreciate you all more than you know. And thank you for anybody taking the time to check out the EDC knife content. I appreciate it. If you're so inclined, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon down there, it'll really help me and the channel out, and it'll keep you posted when I release new EDC content like these unbagging unboxings. So I was on Amazon a couple days ago getting a couple of things I needed around the house, and this showed up on my feed and it looked interesting. Use my Amazon little knife there to get it out. I don't know what this is going to be. Our last Amazon unboxing was kind of a fail. This is the Omissa Compact, a fishing, camping, new Saxo-Ling neck knife made in China. So there's that. I want to say, and I'll have to look at my Amazon and see how much this was, but it was very, very inexpensive. How inexpensive? I'm not exactly sure. But I want to say probably under 20 bucks, right around 20 bucks maybe. So it's definitely zinged up. Alright. Unceremonious black box. One thing I saw is I thought the clip, which is a ripoff of somebody else's clip, I could use on something else, or maybe use the hardware. So it was so inexpensive, it was kind of like I felt I was getting a little bit of value just in the hardware, if that makes sense. That's a replica of somebody's clip. I don't know whose, but let's look at the knife. Omissa. Little G10 handle knife. Torx bits are holding it on. T8s, I'm thinking. So it's held together with T8 bits. I want to say it's D2. Got a really nice forward finger choil. So it feels in hand surprisingly comfortable. It feels sharp. It's tall flat grind. You've got the plunge coming back here, and you've got a well thought out sharpening choil, which is surprising. Let's get some paper while I let the cat out and see if it cuts. Sorry about that, guys. Tippy was protesting. Well, it cuts, but I wouldn't call it as slicey as it could be. Definitely slicey enough. It's got a really pokey tip. Has a very good Slurpee Saver grip. And guys, in truth, in hand, this little guy feels kind of like a win. It could have been, again, sharper. I haven't stropped it. I just unboxed it. I'll play with it on my, practice my hand sharpening skills with it. Full tang construction. No displacement between the handles and the blade. Kind of a unique look, in my opinion. I haven't seen anything that really looks much like it. Got good lockup, good retention, and again, this is a great pocket clip. These guys, they make them right and left-handed. I don't know if this is considered a right or left-handed. I guess if you wore it on the outside of your pants, it would be considered a left or right-handed. If you wore it inside your pants, it would be considered maybe a left-handed, because they make this clip, which is about $35. If you get the branded one, that'll wear either way or carry either way. But you could pretty well accommodate that by flipping it around as well. So you're not going to be limited by that. So I think it's a pretty decent package. Comes with a chain. I don't know if the steel is going to sharpen up well. We'll see. And I might run a quick review on this if it does, because it was a very inexpensive knife in the unboxing. I will try to link it in there, just so if you guys want to check it out, you can. It does have a lanyard tube that goes all the way through the tangs. Yeah, small EDC knife. Let's see how size-wise. Just a knife I have close by. It's a VV Baby Banter. My little Amazon box opener. So it's a small little guy. Again, I like EDC fixed blades. I wasn't looking for an EDC fixed blades. I was getting some other stuff for the house. Saw this little guy. It looked interesting to me. I'll check it out, sharpen it, put it through its paces, let you guys know what I think. But I appreciate you watching the unboxing. I appreciate any time you stop by the channel. I love each and every one of you. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the day. I hope you would please, if you would not mind, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose debate, not hate. Peace.